Bill McRae, and I spent 35 years in the corporate world working every day from 1980 until 2015. It's a long time. In an office, suit and tie. I was the man. A bunch of the time I was a CEO or a CFO. So I had a great career, but I was so burnt out. I wanted to get doing something online. So I developed a business that I want to share with you now for free. This is a real business, and it allows you to provide a service to all the other people trying to build their businesses. And I show you exactly how to do it. All the training is free. I have all the sources for you. It takes no money out of your pocket. Click on that link and go sign up now.